In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your bellow on your Honda CR-V. It's located behind your passenger side rear wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts and remove our wheel. Make sure you have a hand on the wheel for that last one. Sometimes the wheel wants to jump off. Once your wheel is off, you can wipe down your area so you get a good surface if it's dirty like ours. And using a 12mm socket, we're going to loosen up this bolt. All right, so remove that, set it off to the side. You will be reusing that. And we're just going to clean it up here. All right, once you clean it up in there, you're going to find that there's a spring clip here. So you're going to get a pick in there. And then put another pick in and try to spin it off. Try to keep your hand on it so it doesn't spin completely off and go flying across the room. All right, put that off to the side. You'll be reusing that as well. Just try to get a pick up in there. Pull it down a little so you can get a flathead screwdriver. And again, try to walk it off. Once you get that free, we're going to undo our clamp on the other end. Now we're going to put a flathead screwdriver in this clamp here, and we're going to just widen it to release this clamp from the boot. We will be replacing this with a wire tie, so you do not need to save this. So once you get a good bite in there, you're going to twist your screwdriver and move it around to free it up. I'm going to use a bigger screwdriver now that I have room for it and do the same thing. I find that the twisting motion seems to help a lot. Okay. Okay, once you have loosened it enough, you should be able to take the boot off. I'm going to stick my pry bar in there to help me out. There we go. We're going to slide our new bellows on. Push it onto the rack. All right, so let's secure our end with this wire tie they've provided. Before tightening all the way, make sure you have it in the right spot. And this is just going to hold the boot on. Alright, we're just going to pull that tight. I'm using some needle nose pliers just to help me reach. And then we're going to cut the excess off. Wire cutters. All right, so now we're going to put on the other end. We'll just push it on. And we're going to put our clean spring clamp on. I would get it started first and then work your way around the same way we took it off. All right, so you put the closed end on the top and get something to go around slowly. I am using a pick with like a right angle on it. Just make sure you don't puncture the boot, because that's the whole reason to replace one, is because of a crack or something, so you don't want to crack the new one. I'm just going to hammer on the rest with a flathead screwdriver and a little hammer. All right. Now we're going to put our washer and our bolt on. Put your washer on. We're going to be torquing this to 28 foot-pounds. Reinstall your wheel. And then put your lug nuts on finger tight. And we're going to snug it up. Go in a star-like pattern, like this. We're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds. You're going to do it in a star-like pattern. And I like to go around one more time to make sure I got them all.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.